What do agouti mice teach us about epigenetics and diet? Imagine tiny mice that can tell us a lot about how our genes work beyond just the DNA sequence. These mice are called agouti mice, and they help us understand how what we eat can change how our genes behave. Agouti mice carry a gene called the agouti gene, which influences their coat color, but it also affects their metabolism and health. When this gene is turned on, the mice have yellow fur, tend to become obese, and are more prone to diseases like diabetes and cancer. When it is turned off, they have brown fur, stay healthier, and avoid some of these problems. The interesting part is how this gene is turned on or off. It's not about changing the DNA itself, but about chemical tags called DNA methylation. These tags can block the gene from being active. When the agouti gene is heavily methylated, it stays off, leading to healthier traits. When it is not methylated, the gene is active, and the mice develop the yellow fur and health issues. Research shows that what a pregnant mouse eats can influence these methylation tags in her babies. If she eats foods rich in methyl donors like folic acid, vitamin B12, and choline, her pups are more likely to have the methyl tags that turn the agouti gene off. This results in offspring with brown fur, normal weight, and fewer health risks. Even more fascinating is that certain foods like soy, which contains a compound called genistein, can also increase DNA methylation of the agouti gene. This means diet not only provides nutrients but can actively change how genes are expressed. This research teaches us that inherited traits are not only about the DNA we get from our parents. Environmental factors like diet can modify gene activity through epigenetic changes. For families and hereditary health, this highlights that nutrition before and during pregnancy can influence a child's future health. In practical terms, it suggests that pregnant women might improve their child's health by eating foods rich in methyl donors or bioactive compounds. It also shows that genetic testing alone might not tell the full story of health risks, because epigenetic factors play a big role. So, agouti mice teach us that diet can directly influence gene activity, affecting physical traits and disease risks across generations. This connection between what we eat and how our genes work helps us understand the complex dance between genetics and environment in hereditary health and disorders.